Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech and gadgets. Today, we're soaring into the world of mini drones and counting down the 5 best models you need to check out. Whether you're a beginner looking for some fun or a seasoned pro seeking a portable powerhouse, we've got something for everyone. If you want to see more information on the updated price of the products, make sure to check the product links down below in the description box. So, let's get started. Number 5. KEBD new G6 drone camera. 5G Wi-Fi 6K HD and 5G Wi-Fi 8K HD cameras can provide a variety of high-definition images and videos. With altitude hold mode function, it can provide stable flight. Flight time is up to 15 to 20 minutes. With foldable arms, it is compact and easy to carry. GPS positioning mode can provide more accurate flight. With 5G Wi-Fi function, can be connected to an app or app system to take pictures and videos and transfer images in real time through the mobile phone camera. HD dual camera, switching multi-angle recording screen. Equipped with high-definition dual cameras, freely switches perspectives and creates more freely. 4 channels, you can fly up, down, forward, backward, left, right. 6-axis gyroscope for more stable flight and easier control. It has 3 flight speed switch levels to make flying more fun. 1-click back function, you can easily find your way home. 1-click takeoff and landing. 1-button takeoff or landing automatically, the drone will take off or return to the takeoff position. 8K high-definition pixels to see the world, take pictures that no one else can take, and let the well-prepared travel leave no regrets. The Quadrator fuselage is made of high-strength engineering plastics, which are light and durable. One-touch control beginners can easily control. Simple control system and multiple 1-button control experience. You can easily get started with zero foundation. With front, left and right, 3-way environmental awareness and infrared obstacle avoidance sensing, it will avoid obstacles when encountering obstacles, making your control easier and simpler. Smart Hover effectively keeps the aircraft in the stay steady in flight, to prevent dithering and blur in aerial photography. App multifunction control gravity sensing, in-depth experience. Multifunction control can be realized through the mobile app. Turn on the gravity sensor, and the control is cool. Number 4. Fui K9 mini drones. Drone with 360-degree obstacle avoidance camera. Drone intelligent obstacle avoidance. When switching to obstacle avoidance mode, the drone automatically detects obstacles intelligently, so when it flies towards an obstacle, it will sound an alarm and stop flying towards the obstacle immediately, avoiding obstacles in all directions, a worry-free flight for you. More flight functions. The 1-click backward function allows the drone to return to you quickly. The altitude hold function makes the drone stable and easy to fly. 1-touch takeoff and landing make it easy to control even for beginners. 10K Ultra HD FPV camera and optical flow positioning camera. The drone is equipped with an Ultra HD camera, which provides the operator with a clear flight image for creation. The bottom camera is not only equipped with altitude holding technology, which enables the drone to hover stably, but also can be used to take photos and videos. Foldable design and nice gift. Perfect foldable blade design, you can fold it up and take it out more conveniently. Number 3. Professional S1S Mini Drone 8K HD Camera. The front lens is placed with wide-angle, 8K high-definition Wi-Fi. The bottom high-definition lens with optical flow can switch the camera angle. The servopan tilt is designed to increase stability, and the ease electronic anti-shake is added to make the photo line clear. Ultra-long endurance 3.7-volt 1800 mAh Li-ion battery, which can last about 28 minutes. The height fixing function has the height keeping mode function, and the optical flow positioning and fixed point function have stable flight. Customize the route. You can draw the picture you want to fly on the app. App mobile phone control, 1-button return, headless mode, ascending and descending, forward and backward, left and right side flight. The size and weight of the product are light, and the body weight is 123 grams, which can circumvent national aviation control. Hand gesture photography, optical flow positioning, brushless motor, ultra-long endurance, obstacle avoidance head assembly, which can stop when encountering obstacles without colliding with them. A brushless motor provides more powerful power and longer service life. 2.4G's anti-interference technology, 6-axis gyroscope, more stable flight, more convenient control. Number 2. Lenovo 5000 MG6 Pro Drone Dual Camera. The front lens is placed with wide-angle 8K high-definition Wi-Fi, and the optical flow high-definition lens at the bottom can switch the camera angle. The servo gimbal design increases stability, and EA's electronic image stabilization is added to make the picture lines clearer. App mobile phone control. One key return, headless mode, up and down, forward and backward, left and right side flight. The altitude fixing function has the altitude fixing mode function, and the optical flow positioning and fixed point function is stable in flight. Brushless motor provides stronger power and longer service life. 5G interference technology, 6-axis gyroscope, more stable flight, and more convenient control. Ultra-long battery life, 3.7-volt 2000 mAh lithium-ion battery. Battery life is about 35 minutes. Customize the route. You can draw the picture you want to fly on the app. Gesture photography, optical flow positioning, brushless motor, super long battery life, obstacle avoidance gimbal components, stop without collision when encountering obstacles. 720-degree omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, no fear of crashing. The product is light in size and weight, which can avoid aviation control. Number 1. Grace Woody New S2S Mini Drone. Elzar S2S Drone 4K Professional 8K HD Dual Camera, 2.4 Wi-Fi, FPV 25 units, Flight Time Brushless Foldable RC Drone, Quadcopter RTF. The front lens is placed with wide-angle, 6K high-definition Wi-Fi. The bottom high-definition lens with optical flow can switch the camera angle. The servo pan tilt is designed to increase stability, and the EA's electronic anti-shake is added to make the photo line clear. Hand gesture photography, optical flow positioning, brushless motor, ultra-long endurance, obstacle avoidance head assembly, which can stop when encountering obstacles without colliding with them. The height fixing function has the height keeping mode function, and the optical flow positioning and fixed point function have stable flight. Ultra-long endurance, 3.7-volt 2000 mAh lithium-ion battery, which can last about 25 minutes. Customize the route. You can draw the picture you want to fly on the app. A brushless motor provides more powerful power and longer service life. The size and weight of the product are light, and the body weight is 174 grams, which can circumvent national aviation control. App mobile phone control. One-button return, headless mode, ascending and descending, forward and backward, left and right side flight. 2.4's anti-interference technology, 6-axis gyroscope, more stable flight, more convenient control. You can subscribe this channel to get more such informative videos. Thanks for watching this video.